Reached at Srinagar, and this is our houseboat. Look outside from this boat. This is very beautiful scene from here. This is Dal Lake, and this is our houseboat. Yeah, I have seen you. Oh, show you. This is hall of houseboat, and this is gallery, and there are two rooms. First we have taken first room, and this is our room. Only two person can sleep here, but one extra. And this is again gallery, and this is second room, and this is bathroom. Bathroom is of new type. Parda varda is lugging here, and this is very less space is here.